Hi, I'm Melanie Nugent-Noble, and I'm an artist working on the Invisible Threads project. It's a project where I'm making a series of beacons, such as this, where if you have one and I have one, and we're within proximity of each other, a few hundred meters or a few blocks, they'll start to glow and they'll get brighter as we get closer together. It's a project that I started working on a few years ago when I was doing my graduate studies at Emily Carr University of Art and Design in Vancouver, and that I've kept going kind of in the background of my life for the last few years. I've developed a few prototypes and kind of worked out the hardware and the way that they communicate with each other. And I'm now ready to move the project forward by introducing it to the community. And I want to do this by making a series of maker kits to allow people to make these guys at home and support the maker kits with a series of videos and resources and tutorials that show the steps that I've gone through to do these and make these, and some of my thought processes, and kind of to join me on the journey of moving this project forward and engage with this project and help me activate them in the community. I want to make the maker kits available to patrons first, and looking forward to connecting with patrons and sharing this project with the community, and thank you in advance for your support.